Hello, checking sound. How are you guys? Oh, gotta have the bling. We're back in the studio, back with yet another live stream. We have a lot to discuss, guys, and the number one thing you should know about is, of course, there you go. Oh, see, it's white. I actually have blue. This is white. Let me change this a bit. Okay, there you go. There you go. Perfect. Very nice, guys. We're back with yet another live stream. Normally we do this at 6 p.m. exactly like today, but sometimes we're late. But not today, guys. Number one thing you should really think about right now is the Avalanche Hackathon. This is gonna be massive, absolutely massive hackathon. And I encourage you, if you haven't signed up yet, go and sign up. I will post the link right now in the chat. This is going to be the biggest hackathon we've ever had, and you will want to join it. It starts already on Monday. Let me, by the way, go to the stream settings, and I will actually put it in the description, because this is very important. If you haven't, oh, it's already in the description, I see. If you haven't yet participated in blockchain hackathons, this is a message to you. It is time. It's really, really time. Why? Because hackathons are tremendous opportunity. Hackathons in crypto are not like your average hackathon in Web 2. Like I always joke, in Web 2, you go to a hackathon, you get like a sticker, you get merch, you get some garbage, you know, that they want you to just be there, eat the pizza, you get garbage food, they feed you pizza, you get some t-shirt, and that's it. In Web 3, it's very different. As you can see, in Web 3, we have concrete capital that we are giving to everyone who participates and wins some kind of prize. And there are many different ways to win in the hackathon. You can, for example, be top 3 project, or you can be a top 3 project in a particular niche. And a niche can be that you use some of the tech right here that is sponsoring the hackathon. So for example, if you're top 3 project using Pangolin, amazing. If you're top 3 project using Trader Joe, amazing. If you're top 3 project using something else like Covalent, amazing. So please remember that there are many opportunities. And this is why it's so important to participate in Web3 hackathons, because this is maybe the most important, I'm telling you, the most important way to grow as a developer, the most important way to harness your skills, is that how you say that? To really ensure that you can build things quickly. After a few hackathons, you really get the hang of it. And this is where you can also redeploy a lot of your knowledge since the past, because if you're part of a few hackathons, you go to the next one, you have already everything set up, ready to go. And this is also where we help you a lot with our boilerplate. So if you haven't yet checked out our Ethereum boilerplate, you should go to our GitHub. I will show it to you right now. And you should learn it, because this is the fastest way to build any dapp you want. You go here to github.com/Ethereum boilerplate, and here you see a bunch of different boilerplates. For example, you have the React boilerplate, you have mobile boilerplate, React Native, you have also Vue that we're building, it's in development. You have a chat app. I mean, this one is React Native, where you get this very, very nice chat app going. And this is very important, because what the tools that Moralis gives you, it's very one of a kind. What do I mean by that? There are not many other libraries where you can build things like this, like mobile apps or web apps as easy. So when you go to a hackathon and you show the hackathon organizers, the sponsors of the hackathon, that, hey, I use this technology that you have to build this amazing thing, it's very easy to be in the top 3. So that's why I'm telling you, if you have not yet signed up for the hackathon, do it as soon as possible. You find the link below, you come to this page, you scroll down all the way here, and you register your team. Then when you have signed up, you go to our Discord, because you will be getting an invite to Discord. And if you don't, just go here and click here, open Discord. This is very important. Go here and tell that you have joined in the Avalanche Hackathon channel right here. So you can just go and you can sign up right here. So this is important, and say that you signed up in the chat. So that's the most important thing I want to communicate to you in terms of action, CTA, call to action, what you should do, and that is to sign up to Avalanche Hackathon. And in the future, we're gonna do a lot more. We're gonna do a lot more hackathons with other blockchains as well. With Phantom, we have in the pipeline. We have a lot. So the earlier you start participating, the more chances you have. So that's number one. Number 2, we do have the weekly content. Let me run through what we have developed during this week in terms of content, because it's a very special week. I mean, we do have a monster 6-hour video in the pipeline. This one, it's coming out, I think tomorrow. You should watch it. It's about building a prediction market from scratch. I mean, literally from zero, from absolute zero. How to do smart contracts, how to do front end. So this one is still not published, but you should really wait for that. Click the bell icon if you haven't yet. Then we have the OpenSea project that we published yesterday, and this one is so good because you can literally build your own OpenSea very, very easily. In 2 hours you can do that. And we did publish the chat app as well, which is 25 minutes. So all in all, with this kind of knowledge, if you just follow our YouTube, you'll learn how to do these projects. And this YouTube channel has now become very project focused, very project focused. We teach you everything about projects and very hands-on. If you just follow along, you can easily do any use case. In a few months, you follow along this tutorial, so you can easily do any use case you can think of. I seen the question about Avalanche. So Avalanche testnet is already out in the server. You can connect your server to Avalanche testnet easily. I think we have it in Speedy Nodes also, maybe not. But the most important thing is the server, that you connect and you use Avalanche via Moralis server, not via Speedy Nodes, because Speedy Nodes are great, but at the same time, it's not the technology you want to be using for projects, because you're not going to build things easily with Speedy Node. Instead, go and use the Moralis server, because there you can select Avalanche testnet already, and you can get up to speed very, very quickly. So that's number one. Number two, let's go into the weekly challenge. The weekly challenge about the game that we wanted to, and by the way, I did a mistake last time. I did not post clearly what the weekly challenge is in the chat here, so that's why I think we just got one. We got one submission, but let me double check just. See, I normally post a big post where I say, hey, this is the weekly challenge, comment, but because yesterday, sorry, not yet, last week, I was in the woods, I completely got off track, and I think I forgot to post it, so I did not post any clear announcement. And that's why we have this, but this guy did not finish it, I think. He just did some testing. But we did have one submission, this one. So let's see. Is it even multiplayer? I think it's multiplayer. So it's by Peflex. Peflex opening up. Let's see if you have some sound or not. 1 second. No sound. I don't hear any sound. So I will have to explain too. There are some balls in the skies. You move around with your thing. But is it multiplayer or no multiplayer? That seems to be single player. You run around, you have a level. Yeah, see, ideally we want, or is it multiplayer? User, nice, photo, instant buy. See, guys, please include sound, because to understand your thing, by watching it, I can of course try to spend time watching it, and it looks very interesting, but it would be very nice if you just explained it, instead of like showing me with the mouse, you know, look here, and you know, that, look here, like here, he showed me with the mouse, like, yeah, look here, and just explain with your voice. Sorry, my bad. Like here, my bad. Showed me with the mouse, like, yeah, look here. He has sound. Just 1 second. Explain with your voice. I need to mute. Sorry. My bad. See, this is why I have like. Okay. Now. Okay. He has voice. Sorry, guys. I just muted the tab because not to hear myself. So what did he build?
My name is Felix, and this is my entry for this week's challenge. I created this game called Eyeball. You basically jump around with this little ball here, collect these Moralis coins. If you collect one, you will be spawning new coins as well as spawns that you have to escape from. If you touch a danger element, as I just did right now, like the acid, the spikes, or the saws, you'll die. The score will not be updated and saved. So let's just show you this really quickly. You collect a coin, push the handle, then try to make it out of here alive. So I completed it. My score is 30. I go back to the
Come on, YouTube.
full scores, obviously. A few other features are that you can type in your
nice.
Just restart the game here. We can log out and log in with MetaMask. Create NFT. Just type something in randomly. We can log out and log in with MetaMask. Create NFT. Just type something in randomly. Instant buy, select item. I'm going to choose this one. Create. So we go here to object. Yeah, a little bit confusing. I have my white ball over here, the main player. It projects an image, an inverted image from the right side, so you can kind of see what other players are doing. The only thing is that it's kind of laggy, but apart from that, it's pretty cool. It's my first project, and yeah, big ups Moralis for pushing the weekly.
Perfect. Yeah, this is totally valid, but you did not solve the problem with server lag compensation. But look, it's your first project, so it's perfect. But yes, I know that this issue, and I also explained it in my proof of concept, that this needs to be solved with extrapolation, that you see where the ball is moving and you keep moving it there, even if you don't have a signal from the server saying to you where it is. So that's very important. But yeah, very, very nice. It is multiplayer. So let's see multiplayer again.
I didn't have the time to make it work. It's a little bit confusing. And here, button 4, just how to play, if someone forgets how to play it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. What I wanted to show you as well is that it's multiplayer compatible. As you can see, I have my white ball over here, the main player. It projects an image, an inverted image on the right side, so you can kind of see what other players are doing. The only thing is it's kind of laggy, but apart from that, it's pretty cool. It's my first project, and yeah, big ups Moralis for pushing the weekly challenges. Thank you.
Nice, nice. So yeah, great work. We need someone to solve this lag issue in some future week, because we need the template. We need the template how this is done. And we don't have it yet. I mean, how we can smooth out. I know different game engines have that built in, but if you build with, for example, Phaser, I don't think they have such things. So it's a big challenge. But yeah, let's see if we had. I don't think we had anyone else submitting for this week. Fantastic work to play. Let's see, Peflex. Peflex did this one. Big shout out to you. And yeah, let's send. So this week, you're getting what? You're getting a Moralis Mastermind. You're getting Moralis Mastermind. So Kreshimir, please send it to. So Peflex, you need to DM Kreshimir your address, and we're gonna send it. And this week, the challenge is the hackathon, guys. We don't have any particular challenge. Just join the hackathon, build in the hackathon for this week, and you can build something like a game if you figure it out with a smooth multiplayer game. With smooth animation. I hope that Unity has that lag compensation in their game engine, because we're releasing Unity soon. That would be cool. So that's number one. Number two, really, I want to try something new with these weekly events, weekly events we're doing. And I found something interesting, which is kind of like metaverse, which is Gather Town. I actually discovered it a few days ago. I didn't know about it before. So let's try it, guys. This is going to be an interesting. So see, I have so we can be 80, but it says upcoming. They have horrible payment page. It's very difficult to understand what you pay for. Anyway, I paid for something that is 80 users on a monthly basis. I hope that it is this metaverse I have right here. So basically, what Gather Town is, it's like Google Meet, but you walk around here, and if you're close to some people, you see them, you can like chat with different people. So I thought we're gonna have some turkey dinner for, family gathering. Basically, you see, if you go to the table, you are around the table. And if you are around the table, let's see, can I sit down? Oh, see, now I will. So if you're around the table, you can speak to everyone around the table. If you just walk around like outside the table, then you need to be close to people. But yeah, let's throw this in. Let's throw you guys in here. So how do I invite people? See, I'm very new to this. I don't even know if this will work, if I even paid correctly for this thing. So I will put it in the chat, and then we go loco in this metaverse. So this is kind of like metaverse, but Web 2 metaverse. Metaverse for non-metaverse people, basically. Okay, so I will put it here in the chat. So go and join, and let's see what the hell this is. Because, see, we want a lot of this Gather Town looks amazing. We want it for our team building event in the Avalanche Hackathon. So I wanted to test run it here with you guys. Maybe we can have Q&A around the turkey dinner. So this is what I thought, that if you want to do Q&A, you have to sit here with me on the turkey dinner in Gather Town, which is... I mean, man, it's very nice for like work and events. I just discovered it. Let's see if you can join, guys, because let's see how many we can be. Because on the free plan we can be 25. I bought so we can be 80. But once again, I don't know what it means. Like what is upcoming? What is this? Can I use it in my meeting, or I cannot use it? Oh, I see Bob Sala. Yo, Bob Sala, where are you? Tommy, your images don't load though. I hope they fix it. Yeah, so anyway, I think that, yo, Bob Sala, I can see your camera, nice. What's happening?
I just muted you from the live stream.
Nice, nice. Yeah, so we have, see, when someone comes to Turkey, yeah, now we have turkey dinner coming in here. Check. Okay, now Yomo, what's up, Yomo?
Hi.
Okay, so you guys that come, you have to mute yourself because I can hear a bit the stream in the background. You have to either mute yourself or decrease the volume in the stream. Okay, so I have this turkey dinner thing going. Okay, so if you want some Q&A about Moralis, let's do it around the turkey dinner. I can see Savior. Okay, welcome guys. Yomo, there I see Yomo. Can you say something, Yomo? Yeah, Yomo took his place. Perfect.
Hi guys. Yeah, I'm here.
Nice.
Hello, hello guys.
Hello. Okay, guys, so this is live stream, so you cannot be quiet here. Go and ask questions. Don't be quiet here. If you come to the turkey dinner, you have to ask something, okay? Because we need to keep the entertainment going. So please.
Well, I don't have a question per se. I'm just looking for guys who want to join my team on the hackathon. I don't know if that's loud in here.
Oh.
But yeah,
Yes.
I'm super pumped for the hackathon. I got a great idea. So if you
I'm
want,
not sure. It seems my internet
Yes.
Oh my good.
I'm looking for the team as well.
Savior, nice. Yeah, so absolutely, guys, for team, go and join Avalanche Hackathon here if you haven't yet, and maybe describe what you want to build in here, and we can have people going in here and also looking for teams. But yes, absolutely, teams is always better. It's gonna be better product, better result. Team Mauro running around, pawn saws. So, Savior, tell us a bit about yourself. Do you have some ideas for Hackathon?
Yeah, like currently I'm already in the Polygon Hackathon, the one where you are, like the Biddle Hackathon, if you know, right? It's going on.
Yes.
Moralis is also there, so I'm building a chess dapp there. But yeah, I'm looking forward for the Avex Hackathon as well. It's going on.
Nice.
Also there, so I'm building.
Okay, guys, when you come here, please mute yourself. So if you're not speaking, mute yourself. Otherwise, we hear some feedback. So you're in Polygon Hackathon, very nice. Yo, Joy Medland, I see you raising up the hand. Yes. Trying out new tech. You can try and do different emojis. I don't know if you want to say something, but yeah, if you do an emoji, it will be seen. And we have Quadasau, one of the winners. Oh, by the way, Quadasau, I remember you could sell your NFT, right? You got some nice profit on
No.
the NFT.
No, I've not sold my NFT.
Right.
I've not sold my NFT.
I got it. See, guys, the problem here is that I hear myself, so I need to mute everyone who is not speaking.
Oh my good God.
See, when we are in this thing, you need to have headphones.
Okay.
I think that's an instruction we'll have.
I think.
Oh yeah, it's you, Kodasau. I muted you, so now it solved itself. Yeah, you guys, you need to have headphones if you speak. Otherwise, it's gonna be feedback. But yeah, good to see you, Kodasau. Semidios, the memer, I see he's in the table for himself. Do you want to come to Turkey table, Semidios? the memer of the Discord. And I see Ponsos. Okay, so Ponsos, you're normally good at breaking the ice. Maybe you can preach us something about how you think about this experience.
I think this is great. We need to stick this onto. We'll stick this onto.
Where should we stick it? Oh, so Semidios, you need to be in the turkey. You need to be in the. Yes, you need to be there. When you speak, you need to be in the turkey dinner. Exactly, in the turkey table. Otherwise, we can. It's like real life. If you speak somewhere else, it's not gonna be heard. You need to be in the turkey dinner, then everyone else at the dinner can hear you. Ponsos, you hear us? Check.
Yeah, I was just saying we should stick this on the hackathon. I think this is great. Let's stick this on the blockchain, guys.
Yeah. We will have this team building in the hackathon using this. And now I know what to write in the instructions. To always use headphones. Without headphones, you cannot use it. And if you want to speak, you have to be in the dinner table. Or you have to be close to someone. Okay, so guys, do we have Q&A? Let's do Moralis Q&A that we normally do in the YouTube, but we do it here. And you can raise your hand if you have questions. Phil, you have headphones. You don't have headphones. Okay, I see someone raising hand. Who is this? It is... there are so many names, it's difficult to see.
Ivan, it looks like you mute it just for you. I mean, you don't mute for everyone. So you don't hear him, but he's unmuted. So yeah, you mute it just for you, only for you.
Got it. So, see, we're learning new stuff here. Because I know Google Meet, and there you mute is for everyone. But yeah, it's different now. That's true. Okay, so Blender, let's see. Can I unmute you? Spotlight.
Can you hear
Blender.
me?
Yeah, can you say something, Blender?
Yes, so just like...
yes, it works. Perfect.
Like to ask, like, what you expect for the prize for the first, second, and third place?
For the prize, see, this is coming in... we're still deciding how we should divide it. But the prize, there are two prize pools. The main prize pool is 100K, but it's going to be bigger than 100K. It's going to be hopefully around 200. That's why we don't have exact division. But normally, the first place is going to get like 50% of the total prize pool of the top three. And then second place maybe 30%, and third place 20%. But the reason why we don't have details yet on the screen, and let me share the screen, is because we haven't yet decided exactly how we should do it in terms of the main prize. So let's see, if I go to here again, you can see, and by the way, now you see my full screen even with the OBS, but the main prize is 100K. So this is like top 3 best project in the whole hackathon. But then also there are many other prizes, like each sponsors, they have their own prize pools. That's why the total prize pool is bigger than like the main prize pool. But both of them are gonna increase. And on Monday, we should have exact division. But you already now know approximate division of the top 3. And that's that 50% to first place, 30% to second, and like 20 to third. That's how we normally do it. But yeah, more details are coming.
All right, thanks.
Okay, let's see. So this is a good system with raising hand, and then I can... So Blender already did. Let's go to Quadasao. So I can spotlight like this. Yes, Quadasao.
Everyone. Yeah, I'm glad to be here. I hope to participate in the Avalanche hackathon. I think I should.
Yes, you should.
Yeah.
Yeah, very nice. Let's go.
Great,
Savior,
great.
You have another question?
Semidus is outside.
Semidus, I don't see him actually. Savior, you got the stage.
Building.
Let's see.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, now I can hear you. Sorry, I just unmuted you. I can hear you now.
Oh,
Yes.
yeah, fine. Like the Reddit tutorial of Moralis, where they created a Reddit on blockchain, that gave me an idea about like if we can create WhatsApp on Solana, because it will make it easier for the transaction PS. I wanted to ask, when's the Solana compatibility coming on Moralis?
Solana should be here like always next week. It was next week 3 weeks ago, but yeah, I mean, we're very close. Solana is like done. Okay, it is like done. We just need to release it, and the reason why we're wasting a bit is because we need to fix some minor improvements on the core Moralis, and we don't want to release Solana in case we have even more things to fix, like in case we release it and there is some fixes to be made. We just want to ensure that everything we have now on our to-do is done, so we can then do Solana, and then we can do fixes related to Solana. Because as always, you know, you release something, there will probably be some things to fix. But guys, all of you who are watching, go and see this video about coding Web3 social network, which Saver is speaking about.
Yeah.
This video right here, because this one is also very good from last week. But yeah, Solana is like it's like already done. We just need to push it out, and we are doing final things on our core non-Solana infrastructure, so that we can, when we are ready, we feel that it's stable now, we can do Solana and move ahead. So yeah, next week, as always, is next next week. It's like Lightning Network. Lightning Network is always 1.5 years into the future, and Moralis Solana is what next week. But yeah, it's very soon. It's very soon.
Go.
Thanks for question, Saver. I will mute again. Yeah, perfect. Let's see. We have Quadasau. You want to say something again? Let's see.
No,
but you have Spotlight.
after the yeah.
Okay, got it. So basically here, what is possible is that I can do a... let's see. Oh, do you see the...
Yeah, yes, we see.
Yeah.
Cool.
Well, we can do chairs. We can do... So this is like metaverse, you see?
Whoa.
They should have land sale, but they are Web2 companies, so they don't think about land sale yet. But yeah, I mean, this is like the best metaverse I've seen this far. Like Habbo Hotel. Very, very like that. I can erase the objects. Space. See, I need to learn all of this. Or actually, we have Birdie here. So Birdie is somewhere there outside the table. So Birdie is our new team member, and she's organizing events. So she also needs to learn all of this, how we should do this, because we need. So next week we will have a team building event here for the hackathon. We need some, calendar integration here, so it's easy to join on all of that. Let's see. Let's see what happens here. No messages. New post. Hello. Oh. You got the message? Everyone got the message? Rob is somewhere out. How do I see everyone? Oh, here. Oh, there's a chat here. I see the chat. Fantastic. And where do I see all participants again? Home. I'll invite people. No.
We need a bigger table, though.
We need a bigger table, indeed. So, chaotic coder, I can see you. What's happening?
Hey.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes. We can
How are
hear
you?
and we can see you. All good. How are you?
Excellent. Doing very well.
Are you gonna be in the hackathon?
Considering it, I was in the very first boot camp group, so it's pretty exciting to see
So
all that you're doing.
You've been in our boot camp?
Yes, the original boot camp.
Yeah. So who was your mentor?
Jeremy. Out of Canada.
Nice. Yeah. Nice. So Jeremy now, he's still working with us. He works a lot on the admin panel, where you create your server, you delete the server. So yes, of course, Jeremy is with us still.
Right.
So for all of you who are here, we had the bootcamp last year or 2 years ago, where we taught from scratch programming and crypto programming. So did you know any programming before that?
Yeah, it was more no blockchain, obviously. Just some JavaScript, HTML, so some of the basic stuff.
So how was Jeremy?
Jeremy was fantastic. Yep, he was fantastic.
Perfect. That's good to hear. Who we have? Oh, Cone, the famous Cone from the Discord. Can you say something?
Hello.
Hello. This is one of the highest ranked Discord members.
Yeah. How's everyone? Is everyone ready for the hackathon?
I hope everyone will join the hackathon. But tell us a bit about yourself. How you found Moralis?
So I found it when I was working on my high school paper for computer science last year, just in time, because I couldn't figure out the MetaMask authentication, and you guys came just in time in March, and I've been in the Discord since then.
Very nice. Yeah, then you were very early. In March, it was completely different.
Yeah, it was still beta.
It was very beta. But yeah, good to have you here, and good to speak. Let's see if I recognize. Oh, Krashimir. Everyone here maybe knows Krashimir. Can you hear us, Krashimir?
Yes, I do.
There he is. So tell us how your situation is.
Very well. I've been sick actually from COVID, but it's much better now. Excited for all the things to come.
Good to hear, and yeah, hope you get well. But yeah, it seems that you're back, right? You were sick a few days back, but now you're full speed ahead.
True. Full speed again.
We have Mauro also. So Mauro and Krashimir, they both work in support and managing all users and clients we have. Can you say something, Mauro?
Hey guys, nice to meet you all. Yeah, we provide support, so if you guys need anything server related, upgrading, Discord it is, or email is fine as well.
Nice. Yeah, these guys are crazy. So we had statistics that we did like how many tickets was our all-time high per month? Like 6,000 or what was it?
Our global top was 6,000 emails per month, and this month is gonna be second highest amount at.
But not emails, it's tickets, right? It's like cases.
Yeah.
Individual tickets.
Yeah, but the emails are tickets. Yeah. But it was quite a lot, and I expect we're gonna break the all-time high like in a couple of months probably, especially if Moralis keeps growing like this.
Of course. So that's one of the key things with Moralis. It's great support in Discord, forum, email, everywhere, and we've always had that thanks to these guys that have organized our support very nicely. Okay, do you have any questions? We have Birdie here as well, who recently joined. Let me spotlight Birdie. So Birdie, can you explain what you will do on the hackathon?
Yes, hi everyone. I'm new. It's my third day, but yeah, I'm excited to jump in. We're going to be doing a team building event in Gather. So I'm pretty new to the app as well, but I like it because it's kind of like a video game. So yeah, I'm excited to see what people build and help out with the logistics and behind the scenes. So yeah, thank you everyone for the warm welcome.
Fantastic. Who else? So Ponsos, you still don't have your microphone. Legend. So Legend, I also know from the Discord.
Well, my microphone's working.
We can hear you.
Yeah, no, I'm just saying, hey, my microphone's working. I just didn't have it on earlier because I don't have headphones.
Nice. So Ponsos works a lot with
Hello.
Reports. Yeah, we can hear you. Is it Legend on the line?
Oh wow, it's so delayed. Sorry.
Yeah, it's very delayed. But you need to listen not on the stream. You need to listen in Gather website, not on the stream. So mute the stream and listen in Gather website. Is Gather? Yes. So Gather is on. You can join. I see people asking about Gather. Invite. Yes. Okay. Oh, let's see. Yeah, some sounds. It's Gold Zulu raised the hand. Let's hear Gold Zulu. Are you on the line? Oh wait. Yeah, now.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes. First of all, I'd like to say, well done to the Moralis team for going so fast and doing all this stuff that I was so impressed with, making it easier for people to move from Web 2 to Web 3. So the stuff you're doing are really good and awesome team as well. So
Thanks. Good to
yeah,
hear.
awesome.
Good to have you here.
So I was thinking, contemplating of joining the hackathon. I mean, the things that I'm a sort of a serial hackathon, but never complete hackathoner. So
Yeah.
joined a few hackathons, but end up not having enough time and stuff like that. So whereas this one, the next Avalanche one, I think is good because it's 2 months, so it gives me a bit more discipline to sort of plan out a bit longer.
Yes.
The question I have with Avalanche, is there anything that we need to look out for? So what I was thinking, also I'm in the game kind of field and voice technology and game. We're thinking of doing something kind of voice driven that's hook up to Alexa or Google that is then connected as a multiplayer game, possibly in the proof of concept of a very small kind of multiverse, a retro 2D space game kind of thing.
Nice.
So it's a self-contained galaxy where people can go around in like a little multiverse. I wouldn't call it multiverse, just a small, server basically, just like this gather thing. I just like to ask, with Avalanche, is there anything that I need to look out for? Because I'm familiar with Polygon, Matic, and the mainnet, but Avalanche, so I haven't really experienced it.
It's the same like Ethereum. It's just faster Ethereum. I mean, at its core, Avalanche is very much more. It's way more than just Ethereum copy, and their consensus is different. They can run different EVMs. Avalanche, it's very big project, and it would be understatement to say that it's just EVM. But from practical standpoint, today it is just an EVM. Where people mostly use it as an EVM, it's like Ethereum basically. So you should go and you should try to build something quick before we start the hackathon, so you know what it is. So let me share my screen. 1 second, I will share, because we have some videos already demonstrating that. So for example, if you scroll down here on our channel, we have this one, building a DeFi dashboard. I think you should complete this video. You should complete, I think we have this one, and maybe we have some other one also about Avalanche. Yeah, how to sync smart contracts. But the main one is the one I showed you about DeFi. Let me show it to you again. It is this one. So this one you should do just so you understand that it's the same like Ethereum. There are not many changes from this to Ethereum. And for all of you guys who are watching on YouTube, yeah, let me show it to you here. Is this one we're speaking of. But don't be scared. I hope people are not scared of Avalanche Hackathon because they think that it's complicated. It's exactly like Ethereum. What all tutorials we've done on Moralis YouTube channel, they work on Avalanche, all of them. Even if they're called Polygon or Ethereum, they still work on Avalanche. So that's why it's important to join if you want to build something. Thanks for the question, Gold Zulu. And also when you say, when you say multiverse and you say that you want to have a game, just make it small, it's a hackathon. So it's better to finish it than to make it too big. And always it's always easy to aim too high and then you don't finish and it's too difficult. It's better to have like a very nice working thing, maybe like a room we have here, and maybe you can do something fun in the game also, maybe some NFTs or some coins you pick up or something, and it's on Avalanche. I would say the biggest advice I have for hackathon is to make it interesting but small use case, so people understand, this is useful, this is great, and it's very contained as a use case. So because then you're gonna finish it, it's gonna be interesting, and then you can take it further and make it big after the hackathon.
Yeah, I actually have a kind of a Twitch stream that actually shows me sort of building it up. But starting from we're using Kaboom.js or possibly Phaser at the moment. And then just try to build it from the voice perspective first, and then hook it up into kind of the blockchain and see how it goes. So we're taking a look at, that multiplayer thing that you have is quite good, the starting point. But yeah, we're trying to solve that part about the lagging part. That's a bit hard.
Yes, that needs to be solved. Perfect, Gold Zulu.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot. Let's go to just use numbers spotlight, and I need to unmute also. Wait. Yes, now you're unmuted. What's up? Or wait, are you muted? I don't hear you. Why am I looking? Yeah, but you're not muted. I think it's your mic maybe. Are you sure it works? You're not muted, I can. So is this spotlight user volume? Oh, this is user volume. Yeah, you have volume. You're not muted. Let's retry again in a few minutes. Maybe you can. I will mute you for. Let's go to Kwadasau. I think we already answer questions, but if you have questions still, you can keep raising. If not, you can remove the hand. So yeah, guys, when the question is answered, please remove your hand so we know that it's done. Let's go to Xtex. See, now we're too many in the spotlight. Phone, Birdie, Xtex. Oh, there. Okay, so can you say something, Xtex? Xtech. Or is it my sound? Because I don't hear you either. Mute side, no. Okay, let's try this. Can you say something, Birdie, so I can see if it's my side? Or I cannot unmute you. Colin, can you say something? I cannot unmute.
Hello?
Yeah, I can hear Colin. So it's not from my side. It works. Okay, thanks, Colin. So Xtex cannot hear you either. Let's go back to maybe numbers. I use numbers. Checking.
Hey, can you hear me now?
Yes, there you go.
Awesome.
Yeah, we can hear you.
Well, I did have a question, but also a suggestion. The question was if we are like limited to strictly Avalanche, or can we also have like different chains as well as Avalanche?
So it is Avalanche focused. So of course, Avalanche they want it to be on Avalanche, but it can be cross-chain also. If it's focused on Avalanche, but then you can say, you can take this and you can bridge it to Polygon or something, then it's okay. But because it's Avalanche, I would limit it to Avalanche, because the whole idea with this hackathon, Moralis is multi-chain, of course. You can do anything on any chain with Moralis, but we do this together with Avalanche, and from their perspective, they want to show how great Avalanche is and projects on Avalanche are. So I would say definitely put Avalanche in the middle as much as possible. And then if it's some kind of cross-chain interoperability, also like a secondary thing, perfect. But yeah, let's focus it mainly on Avalanche.
Okay. Also, this is really, really cool. This Gather app.
Yes.
It would be cool to have it after the team building exercise. Just if it's not time limited, just have it in the Discord so people can join and talk whenever they need to.
Yeah. I mean, we're experimenting still how this works, because now I did like 80 people, and how many are we? We're 33. So we're above the paid plan. We're above the free plan. So if we can have it running all the time, it would be great, of course. But I'm still not. Can we have it forever? This room, it would be nice. So yeah, if it's possible, 100% that we can. We should have it open, 100%.
Thank you.
Perfect. Okay, someone who hasn't said anything that wants to preach. Oh, we have Xantant. Let me bring David on the spotlight. Hello, David. He's working or something, maybe. I cannot unmute you. He's debugging Unity. Anyway, if you hear us, David, big shout out to you. Yeah, I mean, on that note, Mike Crow also recognized the name from somewhere. On that note, let's see if the Xtex works now. Let's see. Can you say something, Xtex? Still doesn't work. Okay, guys. So on that note, I think this is a very successful test of the Gather town, so I will book until on Monday. I think we're gonna have the team building. So the opening ceremony, if you go here on the Avalanche website, the opening ceremony, Avalanche Hackathon. There we go. So, and all of you on YouTube, guys, just go to the Avalanche Yes, I can hear someone click. Okay, now I don't hear. So go here and go to the opening ceremony. Go here and subscribe to reminder. So set reminder, and I will show all of you guys on YouTube here as well. You find it on the page, the hackathon page below, and set reminder. And on that note, oh, well, Blender, someone new. Let's see what Blender has to say. Blender, like in 3D modeling.
Hear me? Hear me?
Check. Yes, we can hear you. What's up?
Yes, I'd like to ask again. The project should be finished this timeline of hackathon, or just like this use case or presentation as the usual hackathons.
Well, I mean, usually on hackathons, you don't have to finish like completely, but it needs to work. People need to be able to go the full user journey of whatever you're building. I think it needs to be more than just something that kind of not works. It needs to work, but of course, it doesn't have to have all features. It doesn't have to be maybe polished, but it needs to be clear what the use case is, how to use it, how to go from step 1 to final step in the use case, the user journey. So yeah, that is important, I think. So that's why you should try to scope the project so that you can finish something that works. And it's better to have something small that really works and looks nice than to have something huge that is just 10% done. So yeah, that's how I would say. Oh, see. Okay, perfect. Yeah. On that note, guys, I think this test is very nice. And I need to stop sharing. This test is very nice. We know it works. Thanks a lot, everyone, for joining. And of course, thanks for joining the stream, everyone who is watching this live. We're gonna for sure use this more. And for all of you who are here, you can still be here. Let's see if we can just leave this on. And Mike should. Oh, Xtex. Let's see. Let's try Xtex. I see your mic is working. I'm so curious because.
Hey, can you hear me now?
Yes. We can hear.
Yeah. So I just had a question. I don't know if it's been answered yet, but how many submissions can we do for the hackathon if we have time for more than one?
Yeah, you can do more than one. Yeah, for sure.
Okay. That's all I was gonna ask.
Yeah, it's 2 months, so if you can do 2 small projects, maybe it's a good strategy to split up, but yeah, it's up to you. Of course, you can do 2 if you want.
All right, cool.
But one thing is that we want to make this hackathon fair, so please don't come with a project that you've been building for 2 years, before this, and you submitted. You start on December 6th, so it's fair for everyone. Yeah. We see baby. We hear baby. Yeah, time to feed. Perfect. What else? Yeah, so thanks a lot for the question. Thanks a lot. Let's see. Well, you still have question, or you just raising hand? Maybe still raising hand. All right, guys. Thanks a lot for joining. Oh, Xantant, I see you're walking. Xantant, maybe you can speak a bit about Unity at the table. Let's see if we have Xantant. David, I see you're working. I know you're here. Chat. Okay, mic should work. Yes, David. Can you hear? Yeah, I know you're now at the table. Yes. You need to unmute yourself, David. There you go. Okay, so what do you have to tell on this Turkey table about the Unity Wallet Connect C# journey that we're on?
It's been a great journey. It's been a busy journey, and I think we're just about there. I'm really excited for everyone to get their hands on it.
So David has been building our Unity SDK a lot. And we started a few months back, and now it's almost finished. We're doing some polishing on the boilerplate still and on the README in the GitHub, so it's as good as possible. And my dream is to demo it on Xbox, but I need to get approval from Microsoft. So guys, if you know anyone at Microsoft, let me know, because we need some account manager there, because this is so nice with Moralis now. You can build on web, on iOS, Android, on Mac, Linux, Windows. You can build everywhere, including Xbox and PlayStation. But to build on Xbox, you need to have a developer account there. And I'm still waiting for my confirmation. So because it's possible to build, as it's Unity. Unity can build for anything. But that's hopefully we can get a demo out soon on Xbox as well. But yeah, Unity is coming very soon. I mean, this one is also next week as always, but this one is done. Like David says, it's done. We're polishing the last details. So thanks, David, for joining us here as well. Yeah. This is the last chance to raise the hand. And let's see, I can do like this. I can do like this. Perfect. Okay, guys. John. Oh, John, I see you have nice camera. I see that you may even have nice microphone. So what a shame if you don't say anything. Let's see, John. Let's see. Ah, you're muted. There you go. There you go. Wait, yes, John.
Yo, what's up, guys? I'm just checking this out. Pretty cool.
Nice, nice. So you're gonna be in the hackathon?
Yeah, I will. Because I joined 2 hackathons but never finished because always time problems. But this time I'm going to nail it. I just feel it.
Fantastic, fantastic. Yeah, thanks for joining. Okay, Legend again. Let's see, Legend. So this spotlight feature, I need to find. Oh, there, Legend. Okay, Legend, can you say something?
Hello.
Yes, we can hear.
Hello. Awesome, cool. Well, I basically I just had a quick question. The Unity SDK, it's going to be integrated with pretty much everything of Unity, not just the WebGL capable.
No, not just WebGL. It's on iOS, on Android, PlayStation, Xbox.
Awesome.
I mean, the problem with Xbox and PlayStation is that we need developer account to try it, but we know that it will work because it works on Windows, and Xbox is the same thing as Windows. It's this Windows, Microsoft shared OS, so it should work. But we really want to try it. But yeah, it's not WebGL, because WebGL you can do even without Unity SDK WebGL. You can export for WebGL and then you can just add Moralis there already. But yeah, this is next level.
Awesome. That's great to hear, because I have 2 projects already in Unity, and they're just WebGL supported right now. So that's very exciting.
Oh yeah, Legend. You did you do the? We spoke, right, about?
Yes.
Got it. Okay, perfect.
That was us. That was me and you.
Yes. Of course. Yeah. This is exactly. So you showed that workaround for WebGL, and now it's gonna work everywhere. So yeah,
awesome.
Good to hear you. Thanks.
Awesome. Thank you, man.
Perfect, guys. So yeah, I'm gonna end the stream now on YouTube, and I will leave also this gathers thing, but it should be on. I hope that when I leave, it's still on. So let me, by the way, try that. I will leave and then I will come back, and we're gonna see if we're still here. So I will leave now. Ah, nice. Now I'm back. And it's still here. You guys are still here. Okay, perfect, guys. So you can be here if you want. Enjoy the turkeys. Enjoy everything. And yeah, let's have this room going. Hopefully it will not be nuked by this Gather the Town guys. We can have it on all the time. So yeah, perfect, guys. Thanks a lot. Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye. Thanks, Simon.
Thanks, guys.
Bye.
Hope this... Always issues to stop the stream. Where is this? Ah, here.